Savage Traveling. I'm here in my hostel. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm in Naples, Italy, or as like the locals call it, Napoli. And I just want to show you this bedroom real quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 beds. Pretty clean place. This one's called B&B Firenze 32. Nice little bathroom there. Nice full shower. Nice comfortable place. Good hosts. No complaints. You know, lockers. See, I got my stuff locked to the bed. You know, my importance. You gotta keep your stuff safe. You know what I mean. But we're gonna take a little walk around the neighborhood here. Just a little short, you know, random video about the general area here, so you can see what's going on in Napoli, the birthplace of pizza. You know what I mean. So let's go do that. Make sure I got my key. I'm trying to get laundry done, but I walked down to the laundromat and it is full at the moment, so I dropped my clothes back off and turn the lights off here. Drop my clothes off and I'll do it later. Like, I'm not gonna carry around 10 pounds of clothes for no reason. When it's seriously just like right around the corner too. I can get it done anytime today or tomorrow. But this is a huge block building. This is the little courtyard here. Pretty interesting. But pretty cool place, like I said, comfortable. I've enjoyed it. I've only been here one night, but a good one night. So we'll just check out the city real quick, or at least the surrounding area, and show you what's going on in Naples. A gritty, eclectic city. Totally different character than Rome. So let's check it out. Let's not cross there. Interesting place, to say the least. Try to be discreet. The laundry's down here. We'll get to that later. One reason I came here, pretty much the only reason, was to see the museum that holds all the art from Pompeii. So that's pretty much the only reason why I came down here. Because I did Pompeii last year, and all the art's here. So that's what I'm really here to see. And it's not open today, so we'll do it tomorrow. And now tomorrow will be my last night. Basically, the goal now is to go get some lunch. I think pizza's on the menu, if you can imagine that. So we'll see if we can find one before this video gets way too long. I'm not exactly comfortable filming people here, so if I cut away, it's because somebody gave me a shitty look. Okay, we need to go this way. Kind of crazy getting around over here, but like I said, this This isn't Rome or Barcelona. It's one of its own. So. There's several museums. There's a couple castles here. I checked out a castle yesterday. It's pretty cool. They're doing some work to the surrounding area, so you couldn't really get close, but cool nonetheless. Lots of designer clothes shops here. And little markets everywhere. Souvenirs, probably knockoff purses, knockoff clothes, cell phone or accessories, things like that. Like I said, eclectic. There's a Duomo and a castle. You can see that. Well, part of a castle. I'm not comfortable with this walking out in front of vehicles thing like everybody else is around here. You can't blame me, can you? See no flowing water like Rome or Barcelona, because I guess it's tainted here. You don't drink the water in Naples. It says forms of E. coli that only these people are used to, so always check that. But you'll be drinking some stuff that you won't like. It's an old city though. Not as crowded down here, luckily. Like I said, I've been doing this enough now that some people just don't like it pointed at them. They run. It's kind of funny. People ducking inside the door wells and stuff. It's crazy. I can see some people not enjoying this place, but I have so far. Like I said, it's unique. So if you don't like a little smells and a little bit of trash, you might just stick to Northern Europe. like I said, I like to try to get it. I like a wide range, you know what I mean? Oh wow, yeah. Wonder if that got. I wonder if that was on camera. Ah.
Good job, man. How are you?
I'm good, you?
I'm fine.
Good, good, good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you from?
United States.
United States?
Yes, yes, yes.
What are you doing in Italia?
I'm visiting, traveling.
Okay, traveling.
Yeah.
Nice. You're from Africa.
Ah, nice, nice.
I'm from Ghana.
Okay.
You know Ghana?
I've heard of, yes.
That's good. My name is Louis.
So I'm Zach.
That's good. Nice to meet you,
Meet you.
brother.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nice to meet you. Brother, please can you help me for just a little change? If I something to eat.
I have very little. It's all on my card. Yeah, I don't do
Can you
anything.
help me for 1 euro to buy cafe?
I don't smoke. I don't smoke.
I know you don't smoke. Can you help me for just 1 euro to buy cafe? How to buy cafe? No money for me.
I have nothing. I'm sorry, buddy. That's the first that's happened here. Like Rome, it happens non-stop. But, I was surprised that just happened then, actually. He's seen the camera though, I think, and figured he'd ask me for something. So, anyway, before something crazy happens, I'm gonna check out of here, guys. And that's a little taste of Napoli. I'll be back again here soon. Peace.